Hello, do you want to improve your English level? Learn these 10 common phrasal verbs with have. The first phrasal verb in the list is have on. This means to be wearing something.
For instance, she had on a beautiful dress for the party.
The next phrasal verb on the list is
Have up. It means to bring someone to court or hold them accountable for something.
they had him up on charges of fraud. The next phrasal verb in this is
have over.
It means to invite someone to one's home. For example, we're having the neighbors over for dinner tonight. Common phrasal verbs with have is
have at.
It means to attack or criticize someone. The boss had have at him for being late again. To have off. It means to take time off from work or school. Example, I'm having next Friday off to go to the beach.
The next phrasal verb with have is haven.
It means to receive or obtain something. Did you have any luck in finding the book I asked for?
The seventh one phrasal verb in the list we have is have out.
This means to settle a disagreement or conflict with someone. For example, they had it out with each other and finally made up.
The next phrasal verb is
Have up to. It means to confess or admit something. For instance, he finally had up to his mistakes and apologized. The next phrasal verb is have around. This means to keep someone's company or entertain them. We like having our friends around on weekends. The last phrasal verb in this is have on to.
This particular phrasal verb means to realize or discover something.
Now it's your turn. Write down a sentence using the phrasal verb have on to. If you wish to improve your English level, then subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you around.